If your Chrome browser is feeling a little slow, glitchy, or cluttered, one of the fastest ways to troubleshoot it is by disabling extensions. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable extensions in Google Chrome step by step, so you can turn them off whenever you need to without deleting them. This is perfect if you want to test an issue, reduce browser load, or simply clean up the extensions you no longer use. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You'll want to make sure you are in the browser window where your extensions are installed. Once Chrome is open, look up at the address bar at the top. This is where you can type in special Chrome pages that give you quick access to settings and tools. In the address bar, type chrome:/extensions and then press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you straight to the Chrome extensions page. On this page, you'll see a list of all the extensions currently installed in your browser. These might include ad blockers, VPN extensions, grammar tools like Grammarly, dark mode extensions, shopping tools, productivity add-ons, or anything else you've added to Chrome. Each extension will usually have its own card with its name, icon, and a toggle switch. Now, find the extension that you want to disable. If you're not sure which one is causing a problem, you can turn them off one at a time and test your browser after each change. That's a really useful way to figure out whether an extension is the reason something isn't working correctly. When you found the extension you want to turn off, look for the blue toggle switch on that extension card. Click the toggle switch once. If it changes from blue to gray, that means the extension has been disabled successfully. It will no longer run in the background or affect your browsing until you turn it back on again. If you want to re-enable it later, just come back to the same page and click the gray switch again. It will turn blue and the extension will be active once more. This is a great trick if you want more control over your browser without fully uninstalling anything. You can disable extensions temporarily, test your browser, and then turn them back on whenever you need them. So to quickly recap, open Chrome, go to chrome:/extensions, find the extension you want, and click the toggle switch to disable it. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.